What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and in this video, we are going to lock in some profit on a position that I pointed out in my Discord chat just a couple of weeks ago. Here is everything you need to know. Let's go. So the company that we are going to be selling today is Schrodinger. The ticker symbol is SDGR, and this is a software company that develops software for discovering new therapeutics as well as new materials. Now, this company I actually found on YouTube from another YouTuber, Daniel Pronk. He did a full company breakdown, so if you want to see that, definitely check out his video. But it's a good company. The financials look great. They're growing quickly, and their software is very impressive. Now, my entry, I got into the company on May 18th, and this is what the stock chart looked like. As you can see, we were basically kind of trading into a funnel right here. We broke out through the bottom. We established a low at $57, and then it looked like the trend was changing. We came out of the RSI, cross over the MACD, and it looked like we were starting to move higher. So I took a position on May 18th, but I didn't buy the stock. I actually bought the option. You can see this little green arrow right here. This is the option, and I got in with a June 18th expiry, which means it's coming up really quick here, which is one of the reasons I'm selling right now. It was for $75 call option, so we are just at the money right now. I think the stock's trading at $74.87 as I make this video, so we're right at the money right now. I paid $1.50 for the premium, and the high of today was around $2.80. Now, I did point this out in my Discord chat back on May 18th, right when I took the position. I've taken a small swing position in SDGR, stop loss at $57, and I basically mapped out for you what my technical analysis looks like. Now, if you want to stay up to date with what I am buying and selling, I am starting to post all of my trades in the Discord chat. It's $5 per month, and you can get full access to the entire community as well as my analysis and my trades. Now, today, let's dive right in. So I'm going to be exiting this trade, locking in some profit, and I'm going to be using Questrade to do that. So let's jump right into Questrade. Okay, so I am in my platform right now, and let's just take a quick look at the stock. So one of the reasons that I am selling the stock is because we are approaching some resistance. As you can see, we've got a pretty clear trend line drawn here that comes right across to where we are right now. I also think we could have some resistance getting above $80. And because my options expire within 2 weeks, that means that they are going to be extremely volatile. And if we see any type of short-term dip here, or if we can't make it above this $75 level, I am going to take a big hit on these options. So what I want to do is lock in some profit, and I actually plan to buy in some options that are a little bit longer term with a further expiry, because I do still like the company, and if we can break through $75 to $80, I do see that as a very bullish sign, and I do want to hold a position. But as of right now, the options that I have are just slightly too volatile for me. So what we are going to do is we are going to close out this options position. I'm going to change this to options, and as you can see, I have level 2 open right now. So you can see there is a whole lot of bids at $2.25, and there are a whole lot of asks at $2.70. The most recent transaction was at $2.80. So as of right now, there's no way that I would get filled at $2.80 because there's all these people ahead of me, but there are a ton of people willing to buy at $2.25, and the market is about to close in like 7 minutes. So what I'm going to do is place an order at $2.50, and we're going to see if anybody comes up to fill that order, and if they do, I'll lock in some pretty nice profit on this trade. Okay, so there you go. You can see my order in there at $2.50. But what we'll have to do is wait and see if anybody comes up to fill my order. But what's really nice is, as you can see, because I'm there at $2.50, I am very easily at the front of the line. And what I might actually do is I'm going to edit this to $2.60 so that I'm still at the front of the line, but I can get a slightly better execution price. There we go. Oh, everybody just matched me at $2.60. Did you see that? Okay, we're going back down to $2.50. Changing that. I want to be at the front so that anybody... Oh, there we go. Sell to close at $2.50. So somebody just executed a market order and they filled my order, which is absolutely phenomenal. So I am out. I was in at, what is this? Right here. You can see it, $1.55, and I am out at $2.50. So if we do the quick math on that, let's just see. So we made 95 cents on $1.50, and if you do the math on that, we just made about 63% on that trade. So absolutely phenomenal. It was pointed out in my Discord chat. That is how we executed. And now I do plan to buy back into this, but I do want to buy back in at a just slightly longer expiry date, because if we break through that resistance, I still want some upside potential here, but I did want to lock in that trade because the volatility was just getting a little bit too high with that expiration coming up so close. Okay, there we go. We have exited the trade. Now it's time to talk about my plan. So I do plan to buy back in with a later expiration. I got a couple minutes left, so I'm going to execute that right away. Secondly, I do like the company long term. If you're looking for a long-term investment, definitely check out Daniel's video. He did a good job of breaking it down and why you may want to hold it. And lastly, if you're interested in learning more about options and how I did this and why I did it this way, then you should definitely consider signing up for my options course. It is hosted on Skillshare. It is completely free. When you sign up with the link in the description, you get a 2-week free trial that will give you full access to the entire platform, including my options course that will walk you through step by step everything you need to know to make executions like this. I promise you, it'll be the best free resource that you can find online. I highly recommend you checking it out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Good luck trading. Good luck investing. Talk to you soon.